What's happening, guys? Thanks for tuning in again. We're out here at the beach. It's nighttime. We're doing some night fishing. I wanted to show you the setup real quick. So we got the sinker on the bottom. That's a stone sinker I made at home. I got a 20-pound monofilament line, one dropper loop, and it's about 8 inches off the ground. Okay, so it's basically very low to the ground, which gives you access to all the lower swimming fish. It comes up to a swivel and my main line, which is a braid. So we're out here doing some fishing. We're going after sharks, we're going after bass, and pretty much anything that will bite at this time, which is a lot of predatory fish. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get some fish on the line. See you soon. Fish on, guys, fish on. Fish on. Fish on. It's not giant, but it's not small either. Okay, I felt a little head shake. I felt the head shake. So it's not a ray. It's definitely a shark of some sort. Let's see. Here we go, guys. Oh, it's a bass. Oh, wow. That's a rockfish. Oh, wow. Let me get a picture. Yeah, let's go by the light. Okay. Oh my lord, this is a rockfish, guys. This is a rockfish. There's the rockfish, guys. That's a little beauty. That's beautiful. It's bleeding, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw it back real quick. Guys. Fish on. Oh yeah, another one. We got another one on. This one definitely feels bigger. Oh yeah, there it is. It's coming in. Is that a ray? Yeah, it's a ray, finally. Of course, how can you go fishing without getting a ray? Let's take them back to the base, because we don't want to get stung in the dark. Let's see what we got. Yeah, of course, a stingray. Let me flip them over. There it is. There's our stingray of the night. It's not night fishing until you get a ray. All right, let me get this guy off the hook and set him free. Guys, I got a bat ray. I got a tiny little bat ray on, but the camera wasn't recording. Man, this thing is a little cutie pie. Wow, look at this guy. Look how nice this guy looks. Look at this bat ray. How nice is that? Let's see if I can flip him over. There we go. Look at that, guys. Look how nice this looks. It's a baby bat ray. All right, let's go ahead and get the hook off and throw him back. I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and throw this guy back. Gonna walk him all the way over here in the water. There he goes. Fish on, guys, fish on. Fish on. We got another one. Hey, this one's big. This one's actually big, or it feels big. Out here doing some night fishing. This will be our 4th and final fish. I will call it a day after this, and it's a big one. Yes indeed. Yes indeedy. Yes indeedy. Yes indeedy. What the? I got a lobster. It's making noise. It's a lobster.
Oh my god.
It's making noise, guys.
Here, let me take a picture of that.
Take a picture of this. Oh my lord, what is going on? Look at that. What the hell? And it fell off my rig. It fell off the hook. I had to run and grab him. Man, that's so funny. This keeps happening to me, guys. I'm out here doing some surf fishing at night and I get a lobster. All right, let this guy go. Look at him. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and release the lobster. Remember, guys, you're not allowed to keep a lobster if you catch it on a hook and line. You could only keep these guys on if you're catching it with a hoop net. And I believe nowadays you gotta have a report card of some sort. Yeah, it looks like it's gone. Yeah, you gotta have some kind of a report card or something like that. So do not keep a lobster if you catch one with using your rod and a hook. It's not allowed. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So we got the tally for today was we got the bass or rockfish, whatever it is. We got the bat ray and we got a stingray, and to top it off at the end, a lobster. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stick around, I'll have another one out for you guys soon. Take care.